Hi there, my name's Colette Thermie. Welcome to my kitchen. As a Thermomix consultant, I've had over 15 years of Thermomix experience, and I've had the privilege of helping thousands discover how amazing this appliance is and how it can transform their cooking and simplify their lives. Today, I'm going to introduce you to the Thermomix, a machine that's truly a game changer in the kitchen. The Thermomix combines more than 20 kitchen appliances into one sleek, compact design. It can chop, whisk, saute, slow cook, blend, steam, knead, ferment, even make yogurt or sous vide your meals. One of the best parts of owning a Thermomix is how it can help you create healthy, delicious meals from scratch. You control the ingredients, meaning that you can avoid additives, preservatives and processed foods while saving money. Imagine all the appliances you'd ever need for a fully functioning kitchen packed into one smart time-saving device that fits on your kitchen bench. That's the power of Thermomix. And here's what makes the Thermomix truly unique. Cookie-Doo, the built-in recipe platform. With over 100,000 recipes from all over the world, you're never going to run out of ideas. The best part is that it actually guides you step by step, with the Thermomix adjusting the time, the temperature and the speed for you. It's like having an additional chef in the kitchen. Whether you're kneading dough for fresh bread, making a creamy soup, or creating a gourmet dish like risottos, curries, or even a beautiful creamy ice cream, Cookie-Doo will actually help you do it perfectly every single time. And it doesn't stop there. The Thermomix is a multitasking powerhouse. You can actually steam your main course and vegetables in the Varoma while actually cooking a beautiful sauce in the bowl at the same time. This is going to save you time and reduce the washing up. It's perfect for anyone, whether you're new to cooking, a busy parent or a seasoned foodie. The Thermomix takes the stress out of meal prep and lets you enjoy more time doing what's important for you. Beautiful seared steak and rocket salad for lunch today, all made, fully guided in my Thermomix. But don't take my word for it. I'd love for you to experience the magic of Thermomix yourself. No matter where you are in Australia, book a demo with me or simply reach out to chat about how the Thermomix might fit into your life. Cooking should be fun, inspiring and stress-free. With a Thermomix in your kitchen, it can be all that and more. Let's create delicious moments together.